Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to grow green onions from store-bought. Trim the roots and place the white bulbs in a jar with water covering only the roots. Keep the jar on a sunny windowsill and change water every 2 days. After roots and shoots grow, transplant to soil or plant in a container with well-draining potting mix for continued harvests. Start by cutting the green onion tops and leaving about 1 inch of white with roots attached. Place the bulbs root side down in a jar and add enough water to cover the roots, but not the bulbs. Set the jar in bright, indirect light and refresh the water every 2 days. When roots reach 1 to 2 inches and shoots are several inches tall, move them into soil or a larger container for continued growth. Keep your green onions in bright, indirect light and avoid direct scorching sun. If growing in soil, water when the top inch feels dry to the touch and ensure good drainage. Fertilize lightly every few weeks with a balanced liquid fertilizer if growth slows. Harvest by snipping outer leaves near the base and allow inner shoots to regrow so you can enjoy repeated small harvests from the same plant.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.